There's a secret about you that no one ever told you. A truth so unbelievable that it sounds like science fiction, but it's not. You are older than the Earth. You are made of stars, and your body is connected to the universe in ways you never imagined. Today, I'll prove it. Every element inside your body, the carbon in your DNA, the calcium in your bones, the iron in your blood, wasn't created on Earth. It was forged in the heart of giant ancient stars. Stars that lived, exploded, and died billions of years before you were born. Every beat your heart gives, every breath you take, is powered by the ashes of cosmic giants. You're not just living in the universe, you are the universe, reorganized into human form. Your body looks stable, but it's not. Right now, as you're watching this video, about 100 million cells in your body died. But don't panic. Your body replaces them instantly. Your skin renews every month. Your stomach lining rebuilds every few days. Even the atoms inside your body are being swapped out. After 7 years, almost nothing inside your current body will still be there. You're constantly dying and constantly being reborn. Inside your skull, you carry a galaxy-sized mystery. Your brain has 86 billion neurons. That's almost as many stars as in the Milky Way. Each neuron forms thousands of connections, creating trillions of pathways. If you tried to count them, number by number, it would take you longer than the age of the universe. Your brain isn't a machine, it's a universe, simulating reality, inventing meaning, creating worlds every time you imagine something. Time doesn't work the way you think. Your brain rewrites time every second. It delays reality by 80 milliseconds just to make the world feel smooth. That means everything you see is already in the past. Your heart has its own internal clock. Your cells don't experience time the way your mind does. Even gravity changes time inside your body. Your feet age faster than your head. Your body is literally experiencing multiple timelines at once. Think about how unlikely your existence is. For you to be alive right now, every ancestor you ever had must have survived. Every star before Earth must have died at the perfect moment. Every atom in your body traveled across billions of years of cosmic chaos just to become you. If even one star had exploded slightly differently, if even one ancestor had taken a different path, you would not exist. You are a cosmic miracle wearing a human body. So the next time you think you're small, remember this. You are made of stars, powered by the universe, guided by a brain that is more complex than galaxies. You are not just a human, you are the universe, becoming aware of itself. If this blew your mind, make sure to subscribe for more reality-shifting facts.